All right, now we're talking about kinds of lines. Now this is kind of a little shortcut here on the shortcuts are this way, not here. But here are the shortcuts. So some quick ways to spot parallel lines without a lot of work. Well, again, slope-intercept form is probably one of the best forms because right away you can see, oh look, there's the same slope. Boom, same slope, means they're parallel. Okay, 5x, 5x, they just have different y-intercept. That's totally fine. So if I wanted to make another equation that's parallel to these dudes, y equals 5x plus whatever I want. How about plus 100? Okay, it doesn't matter. All three of those lines are going to be parallel because they get the same slope. Now, standard form, okay? Okay, how can you quickly spot to see if standard form has the same slope? There's kind of a little trick here, friends. So you actually want to look at the a and b values. All right, so let's take a look at them. So look at these a values and look at these b values. You see a math pattern? I do a little bit. Looks like going from 2 to 6, you tripled it. Going from 4 to 12, you tripled it. Okay. Now I wonder if that's just a coincidence. It's not. When the a values and the b values have the same scale, they're going to be parallel. Okay. I don't expect you to memorize that. I'm just kind of showing you that's something to look for. Okay. So if I were to solve each of these, I guess I could. I'm going to solve each of these for y. So bear with me here. This will be the longest part of this video. I'm going to solve each of these equations for y. Let's watch what happens to their slopes here. Okay, let's solve for y. Solve for y. Okay, so minus 2x, minus 2x. I'm going to skip a couple steps here. Divide everything by 4. I'm going to have a y all by itself. Negative 2 divided by 4 is going to be a negative half x. 30 divided by 4, I believe, is a number known as... Wait, I lost my brain. Where was I at? Oh, it's divided. Here we go. 30 divided by 4, I believe, is a number known as 7.5. There we go. There we go. Wow, I'm just totally fried at the end of the day. Yeah, 7.5. Doy. It's 28. Yep. Jeez. Come on, brain, wake up. Okay, so we got a slope of negative 1/2. All right, we go. Moving on. Let's see here. Minus 6x. Minus 6x. Divide everything by 12. Divide everything by 12. Cancels. Y is all by itself. Oh, weird. Look, negative 6 divided by 12. It's going to be a negative 1/2 x. Boom, same slope. Doesn't really matter what the y-intercept is. Doesn't really matter what the y-intercept is. 50 divided by 12 is, ew, gross. Okay, doesn't matter. Same slope. Crazy, right? So this same slope happens when you have an a-b value with the same scale. So if you see the same number happening, okay, times 3, if you ever see that pattern, you can go ahead and assume, not assume, you just know the slopes are going to be the same. Worst case scenario, you can always solve for x, but you're always going to end up the same move, okay? Negative a value divided by b, negative a value divided by b, so that's even a faster shortcut. When you have standard form, the slope is always going to be the negative a over b, always. So you might want to highlight that. You can find slope very, very quickly if you do negative a over b. In fact, I'm probably going to use that on this next problem down here, okay? So shortcut right there, friends. Slope is always going to be negative a over b. Slope is always going to be negative a over b, okay?